Welcome back everyone. So today I'm installing this oil catch can separator for the Ram TRX. I got this off eBay. It was relatively inexpensive, about less than $100. And so here's the packaging. Comes with these instructions, a mounting bracket, and some screws for the oil catch can. So I'll show you my plan for installation. So I've got this nice vacant spot right here. So my plan is to install this mounting bracket to this coolant reservoir, kind of like so. And that oil catch can will sit right here in this open cavity. So I think that's a really good spot. And I think it's a perfect spot. The installation is rather simple. So this shorter hose is going to connect to the PCV on the valve gasket, and the longer one to the supercharger. Okay, so the hose to remove is this one right here. You can see it's connected from the valve to the supercharger. It's a small hose, so this is what you need to remove. So here's the factory piece you need to remove. This side here goes on your valve, this on the supercharger. To remove this, feel towards the back until you feel this little clip here and just kind of push it forward. There's only one way it can go, so you're going to push it that way, and basically that will release. Feel towards the back till you find this piece here and just push it, and it'll pop it straight out. The one that's on the supercharger on this, so just push it down. So it doesn't take much. So that's what you're trying to do. So you just push down on this and it pops right out. Looking inside, you can see there's a little bit of oil in there. But what we want to do is prevent this oil from going back into the intake. So that's why we're doing the oil catch can. So in order to install this bracket, I'm going to install it on this bolt right here that holds this coolant reservoir tank. And that is a 10 millimeter. Go. Okay, so with the mounting bracket in place, we can go ahead and screw the oil catch can canister to our bracket. So as you can see, it's a really simple and clean install. This oil can sits perfectly right here. This short hose goes into the intake manifold, and the longer hose straight to the supercharger. Very simple install. Literally takes maybe 10 minutes. It's been 2,000 miles since I've installed the oil catch can, and let's just see how much oil we've accumulated. So that's quite a bit of oil. I don't know if you can see. Oh, there's that cat again. Hey Fluffy, it's not my cat. So the oil catch can, it's definitely doing its job. I put on 2,000 miles since I've installed it, and there's a little bit of oil in there, so it's definitely doing its job. This oil, otherwise, if I didn't install this oil catch can, it would have went into the intake manifold, and that carbon buildup is going to affect your performance and longevity of your engine, especially if your engine is forced induction like the Ram TRX. So I highly recommend this option because you don't want this oil going into your intake manifold. Well, that's going to do it for this one.